Okie dokie. Sorry if I'm loud. I apologize. I just kind of wanted to show off, not even show off, just kind of, I don't know, I guess show off. Show off what I've been working on, other than Game Golem, and this is it. This is going to go on my main channel, Firepants20, so if you're watching this, then yeah, go subscribe to Game Golem. That's my other website. It's a gaming journalism website, gaming reviews, gaming news. That will be launching December 31st or January 1st, whichever one, really, I decide. But yeah, I decided to take a break the last 2 days to kind of start working on a project that I really wanted to make. And I've been learning PHP pretty slowly, but I'm applying what I have learned to make this. Unfortunately, just knowing what I know will not allow me to actually build a working prototype. I need to learn a lot more, as well as learn things from different languages. JavaScript is one that I need to work on for this, as well as jQuery, Node.js, and some others. The main issue right now that I have to kind of work on is live updating, which will use something called long polling because WebSockets aren't really a viable option on my host. So long polling will have to be the hacked way to do that. Anyways, let's get right into it. This is going to take long, but I will kind of talk about different things. Obviously, this is the front page. It's nothing special. These placeholder images will be images of the game, like actually at play whenever I get to that point. Yeah, so it's just basic information. It's an online trivia game that you can play with your friends. What it doesn't state is it's an MMO trivia game as well, so not only can you create a private match with up to 8 players in it, 7 players including yourself, but there will be live, live trivia game matches that basically combine like up to thousands of people playing all at once. It's not going to display everyone, obviously, because of just there's no way that you can display thousands of people. But yes, that's the whole concept behind this. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm already signed in and everything on my account. So you can obviously you see your stats here. I'm CodeWow. You can see your username, which I don't know why I have that there. I might just get rid of that. Games played, games won, live games played, and live games won. Those will update as you play and win games. You can create a new game, which I will show you in a second, and then you will see current games that are going on right now. It's kind of weird how it underlines some of that, but it doesn't underline everything. I'll look into that later. But yeah, let's create a game real quick. So we're creating a private game. Technically, it's not private right now, at least. It's public, so once you make this, it shows up in this list here, which obviously doesn't matter right now because it's all early in development. But yeah, so you can choose your game's name. I'll just name it CodeWow's Game. Choose the number of players. You can play alone if you really want to. Yeah, you can play alone. Playing alone, I think, won't actually give you any wins or anything. And yeah, I don't think I'll allow it to give you any wins, but yeah. So right now we'll just say, you know what, we'll do 2 players just because I want to show off that, and then you can choose your category for the questions that it asks you. Right now, I'll just do variety. It doesn't do anything right now. You'll see the default screen. So here's the default. This is just the layout that I've been working on and everything. Uh, this square in the left here is going to display like stats and stuff for like how many questions have been asked. Um, I don't know how many times people have answered wrong, stuff like that, probably. And then you can see like here's the question. It'll show up. It'll have like some like I don't know fade in animation or something like that. And then the answers will be listed here. 4 answers. You choose from them. You click on it, and it'll like send. Yeah, it'll give you or it'll give the answer. You can also see that it has the game name up here, CodeWow's game, the players. So out of a max of 2, this will update as players join, and then the category variety. And then if there's players in it, it displays here. But I'll show you right now. This is an old game. It actually hasn't. It That's weird. uh, Kvetz. Let's see. CodeWow's game, players 2. Huh, interesting. I don't know why it's not showing it. Whoops. My bad. Yeah, it's weird. Well, here. Let me just get the hash then. I'll just join it manually right now and figure out why that's doing that. Whoop, not that. Go here and then go to game index and then just add the hash value here. And then there. Refresh. Obviously, this will all be automatic. Like everything will refresh constantly, like you're playing an actual online game. But right now, you just have to refresh every time. So yeah, CodeWow, you can't see Rashuchu, but then you refresh. There he is. And then obviously the score. There's no scoring or anything because it doesn't do anything yet. But it will. I mean, that's basically the gist of it. Yeah. Going forwards, I'll try to figure out some stuff. If you have any info, like if you wanna let me know what you wanna see in this, just anything, suggestions, ideas. If you want to make questions and answers and stuff, you can. Just let me know. Yeah. So and don't ignore pretty much everything. Like the background is just a placeholder that I'm using to like kind of simulate what the background will be. It'll be something. I don't know what it's going to be. It'll be something though. And then the name is also just a work in progress. So, yeah. That's basically my game that I'm working on right now. It doesn't work too well yet, but I'm getting there. Getting there. Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya next time. I might update. If you want updates, let me know. I'll update. But yeah, bye.